Hi, I'm Paul Bertenthal of DH Bertenthal & Sons. We're a Jansan distributor, and we will be celebrating our 75th anniversary next year. Question comes up, how do people find cleaning products that perform well and contain safer ingredients? And I believe one of the answers is that they are going to need to take a deep dive beyond your typical labels of the green certifications and start to also look at safety data sheets, and even beyond the safety data sheets at the ingredient listing on the safety data sheets. In addition, taking a look at the pH of the products. You don't want anything, if you're not degreasing, you don't want anything too alkaline. If you're not removing calcium and lime, you don't want anything too acidic. You want products that will do no harm, will keep the surfaces intact, and are actually good. Distributors, for the most part, can help in this endeavor. They can help define these products, and they can steer customers in the right direction when they're fully engaged with the end user client. Also, what can the industry do to promote healthier and sustainable cleaning practices? You have to marry all the constituencies together. You have to find out what kinds of surfaces that they have and ask the question, what are the goals? And then you have to go beyond just the cleaning chemicals and marry the technologies of, for instance, mopping. If they're using open buckets, they're just smearing soil from one end of the floor to the other, as opposed to microfiber cleaning systems. And there are some excellent microfiber cleaning systems available today. And also the equipment, the powered equipment, and marry all those together with the chemistry. I believe that if you do that, and then if you look beyond the ingredients that are listed on the safety data sheet, and also look at things like PFAS, forever chemicals, which a number of manufacturers are trying to eliminate, and also look at some of the ingredients. Are they sustainable beyond what's listed on the label? For instance, do they have any USDA green components to them? Are they plant-based as compared to conventional chemistry? I think if you do that, then you can come up with a successful strategy.